Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you just as your older sister and give you some gyan related to relationship. There is a change in setup today. We are at a park so that I have nice ideas flowing through. It is so beautiful right now. Birds are chirping, the cars are moving by, and I wish I could make you feel that. I'll show you though. Look at them. Look at them. Those are all my friends. However, काम की बात पे आते हैं. And today here I am as a friend of yours. We'll talk about everything, about princess treatment, about breakup, about all the sad things, all the happy things, all the highs, all the lows, whatever you can think of. If you're in your 20s, I believe this is one of the most important aspect and a very important part of your 20s. So I want you to listen to me even if you are in a very happy relationship right now or if you have came out from a breakup. Let's start with something that I have noticed quite frequently. I have a lot of friends who treat me as an elder sister and they always come up to me with some breakup stories or how their boyfriends have mistreated them. And it can go either way, right? You can be a boy and you could have been cheated on by a girl, or you can be a girl and you could have been cheated on by a boy. So it's not a gender thing really. All we really want to focus on how to deal with that situation, right? So your 20s are for your betterment. ठीक है? It's for you to grow in all the aspects of your life, be it physical fitness, be it work wise, be it career wise, in all the aspects of your life, how you can be the best version of yourself. Relationship is sort of a distraction when you are not in a happy relationship and when you are constantly changing it. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही कि if you are in 20s relationship होनी ही नहीं चाहिए. मैं ऐसा बोल रही हूँ if you are not in a stable relationship and if you are in a relationship where the highs and lows are a part of it. Every day you have some sort of fights. Every day there is an emotional baggage with that relationship. That's where I'm saying you to draw a line. Okay, I want you to focus on yourself in your 20s, especially till you reach your 25. Because till you reach 25, how you behave, what college you study, how you study, what extracurricular activities you pick up, what friends you make, how do you hang out, what are your hobbies, how have you built your life outside your university, all of that really builds up. And it is a stepping stone for the rest of your 20s. If you get into a good job by 25, that will take you miles ahead than the other people. For instance, me, I am going to be 26 this year. TMI. I hate to say that, but I have worked on myself so much in the last 4 years that now I am so at ease. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं इसके बाद काम नहीं करने वाली हूँ. मैं काम करूँगी, मैं बहुत काम करूँगी. But in that 5 years, I have learned a lot of how to make boundaries, what I'm gonna tolerate, what I'm not gonna tolerate about a lot of things. तो ये एक चीज़ आप याद रख लो कि 20s is for working on yourself, no matter if you are in a happy relationship, sad relationship, whatever it is. ठीक है? तो कुछ भी अपने ऊपर हावी मत होने देना कि भाई ब्रेकअप हो गया है, बस दुख दर्द पीड़ा बहुत सैड जोन में चले गो. ये सब अपने पे नहीं आने देना. ठीक है? यू आर स्टिल इन योर 20s, you have not even finished quarter of your life. Why are you even sad? You will find a lot of good people. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Wow, beautiful. Don't be sad, okay, if you are going through a breakup. Up next, see, लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढने के लिए ना अपने आप को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. To find a good life partner, you should know first yourself that what are the qualities you are looking for in that life partner. I believe to know yourself is one of the most important thing in relationship. एक बार कैटरीना कैफ ने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि when you are in a relationship, make sure that your happiness does not depend on your partner because it is more unfair on him or her कि आप अपनी happiness को उस पर डिपेंड कर रहे हो. तो उसके लिए it is a lot of baggage. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, नो योर सेल्फ कि आप कैसे इंसान हो और आपको अपने पार्टनर में क्या क्या चाहिए. व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज यू आर लुकिंग फॉर इन योर पार्टनर. फॉर इंस्टेंस, वो बेसिक वाला नहीं, लॉयल्टी, ये तो होना ही चाहिए. लॉयल्टी इज द बेयर मिनिमम. बट व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग यू इज, फॉर इंस्टेंस, मी, आई वांटेड somebody who is financially really good because I am like very savvy, I'm very frugal and I do not like to throw around money. तो ये मेरा माइंडसेट है. मैं ऐसा तो नहीं चाहती कि सबका ऐसा माइंडसेट हो, पर मैं ऐसा जरूर चाहूंगी कि जो मेरा पार्टनर हो उसका भी यही माइंडसेट हो. रीजन बीइंग, टुमारो आई एम गोना बाय अ होम और टुमारो आई एम गोना लाइक सी अ फ्यूचर विद हिम. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू अलाइन माय माइंडसेट विद हिज. तो ये तो एक हो गया कि माइंडसेट वाली चीज कि भाई अब आपकी जो बेसिक क्वालिटीज आप देख रहे हो वो तो उस बंदे में होनी चाहिए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल, व्हाट आई वुड लुक फॉर, ही इज वेरी काइंड टुवर्ड्स अदर्स. not just me, to others as well. And of course he is physically fit because my lifestyle should match with his lifestyle. I'm not body shaming fat people. I'm just saying that if I am very active person, I would like my partner to be active. अब कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो खुद एक्टिव होते हैं और उनको चलता है, उनके पार्टनर एक्टिव नहीं हो तो सो यू डू यू, ठीक है. यू नो योर सेल्फ बेस्ट एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी सेल्फ अवेयर एंड वॉट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर योर पार्टनर. अब नेक्स्ट, ये यूनिवर्स कैसे काम करता है ना कि आप जब अपना बेस्ट देते हो, आप अपने बेस्ट फिजिक में होते हो, आप अपना हर एक्सपेक्ट में बेस्ट दे रहे हो, आप करियर वाइज बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, तो यूनिवर्स आपको वैसे इंसान से मिलाएगा. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट. यूनिवर्स विल अलाइन यू विद द बेस्ट पर्सन एवर. एंड उसके पहले आपके जितने भी ब्रेकअप हुए हैं ना, जितने भी, आई एम सेइंग यू, आप एक दिन हंसोगे खुद पे कि मैंने भाई इस बंदे के लिए रोया था. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग यू एज एन एल्डर सिस्टर, वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ. थिंग्स विल वर्क आउट इन योर फेवर. You will find the right person. Till the time you find the right person, please do not tolerate something that you're not willing to tolerate after 50 years. For instance, आप अभी किसी के साथ हो, अभी से आपका मन कह रहा है कि नहीं मैं इस restrictions में नहीं रह सकती, ठीक है. मैं एक relationship में हूँ for instance, और एक बंदा मुझे वाकई बता रहा है कि what I should wear and what I should not wear. And to me, I'm very clear that nobody will ever say me what I should do. I will sacrifice when I need to sacrifice and that will come very naturally. You don't need to say me. It will come. अब मैं ऐसे बहुत गिविंग इंसान हूँ. मुझे अगर कोई पसंद है तो मैं खुद से सब कुछ करूँगी. आपको मुझे बताने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि सिमरन तुम ये करो. And that goes to most of the girls because most of the girls are very homely like that. ये तो हम rebel बन चुके हैं but we are inherently very nice people. तो मैंने ना काफ़ी बार girls को compromise करते देखा है कि यार they will agree. तो ये आप मत करना. Reason being ये आपके partner के लिए भी गलत है, आपके लिए भी गलत है. Partner के लिए इसलिए क्योंकि you are not that person. You are lying. You are just lying to yourself and to him. And for you, because what you tolerate right now is what you're going to tolerate later on as well. इससे अच्छा, if you are very comfortable with that guy, just very calmly state out your facts that this is not who I am. I'm not like that. I work in so and so manner. आप मुझे एक बार अच्छे से बता देना. मैं ये कपड़े पहनती हूँ, but I know my boundaries. I know how to carry myself, and I am like very graceful in that way. If it's okay with you, we can continue, and if not, it's in the both of our interest कि हम अलग हो जाते हैं अभी से. तो ये तो कपड़ों की बात है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, ओके. आप फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट में बोल सकते हो, आप फिजिकली, मतलब कुछ भी आपके बीच में है. यू कैन वेरी क्लियरली स्टेट इट आउट दैट आप दोनों मैनेज करो. देखो कि A, is this thing something that we can work on, we both can work on? B, is this something that I can ignore right now and it should be fine with me? C, so in love with each other that we are ready to change. देखो change तो होना ही पड़ेगा. I'm not saying that you shouldn't change when you are in a relationship because मैं तो इसमें मानती नहीं हूँ. मैं तो ये मानती हूँ, पता नहीं ये आइडिया ही किसने इतना बेकार निकाला है कि you should accept me for the way I am. No, you shouldn't accept anyone for the way you are. For instance, you might find a boy who is amazing in every aspect but उसका dressing sense अच्छा नहीं है, आप उसको चेंज करोगे. बट इट इज इन द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट ऑफ हिम एंड यू, ठीक है. उससे किसी का हार्म नहीं हो रहा, उससे सबका बेटरमेंट ही हो रहा है. तो ये तो है ही नहीं कि एक्सेप्ट मी फॉर द वे आई एम. यू चेंज इन रिलेशनशिप, यू चेंज अ लॉट, बट दैट चेंज शुड बी इन योर फेवर. That change should bring the best in both of you. When you find a good partner, na, you both grow as a person. And that's the most beautiful thing of relationship, that there is someone who will take your side when you need him or her. And then that same person will say you कि सिमरन और XYZ आप यहाँ पे गलत जा रहे हो. You are going wrong here and there. As a girl, I'm saying you, मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा ये समझने में. If somebody is saying you that you are going wrong somewhere, please introspect it. अगर कहीं आपको कोई बोल रहा है कि यार you're wrong, please understand why him or her is saying that. Go deep into it. आप अपने आप से बात करो, बहुत unbiased तरीके से आप खुद से decision लो that were you wrong or not. If the answer is yes, you were wrong, then work on it. And if the answer is no, state it कि मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ. एंड आई रियली वॉन्ट यू टू बी अनबायस्ड, क्योंकि बहुत बार अपने को भी दिल से पता है कि यार वी आर रॉन्ग, बट वी कीप ऑन ड्रैगिंग दैट सिचुएशन एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी डोंट वांट, राइट. तो ये तो हो गया अनबायस्डनेस, चेंजिंग, नॉट चेंजिंग एक्सेट्रा. अब नेक्स्ट आते हैं प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट पे. तो ये टर्म ना अभी बहुत वायरल हो चुका है, दैट फ्लावर्स आर द बेयर मिनिमम, डेट्स आर द बेयर मिनिमम, दिस इज द बेयर मिनिमम, दैट्स द बेयर मिनिमम, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. तो मैं तो ऐसा मानती हूँ पर्सनली दैट फ्लावर्स इज नॉट द बेयर मिनिमम. इफ यू लाइक फ्लावर्स, अमेजिंग गर्ल, just convey it to him. I would like if you treat me in certain manner. अगर आप मेरे लिए ये gesture करोगे, it will be amazing, etc. See how things unfold. किसी से इस बात पे ब्रेकअप करना कि वो आपके लिए फ्लावर नहीं ला रहा, वो बहुत गलत है. पहली बात, कोई भी चीज़ princess treatment नहीं होती है. Every relationship is very unique. Every relationship comes with its own, I would say, highs and lows and uniqueness. तो everything boils down to communication. You communicate with that other person. You communicate what you like, what you don't like, everything. And अगर आपके communication के बाद बाद भी you are somewhere dissatisfied with how the other person is treating you, then yes, then you break up by all means, ठीक है. बट आप ऑनलाइन अगर किसी से सुन रहे हो कि यार फ्लावर बेयर मिनिमम है, नेक्स्ट डे आप डिसाइड कर रहे हो कि हाँ यार फ्लावर्स तो बेयर मिनिमम है, आई डोंट वांट यू टू डू दैट. आई वांट यू टू नो योर ओन बेयर मिनिमम. आपका खुद का एक यूनिक बेयर मिनिमम होगा आपकी पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर से. लाइक फॉर मी, you should listen to me, you should understand me, like loads of other things, very niche things as well, but that's bare minimum to me. Flowers were never bare minimum to me. Those are just like materialistic stuff. आप उसको कुछ भी बदल लो, मेरे लिए तो है वो materialistic, क्योंकि I'm at that stage of my life where I earn my own money and I will never ever give up on my career for anybody. I'm very honest about that to everybody. Money has never been a factor for anything. Like I don't depend on anybody for gifts, for literally anything. To me, all the qualities are actually based on communication, etc., etc. So जो bare minimum होती है वही. And this is the exact reason why I am saying you girls to have your own career, because when you earn your own money, you sort of are responsible for your own happiness. अभी मुझे कुछ चाहिए, I don't have to look for anybody. If I want it, I'll get it. I am my own boss. हाँ, अगर कोई लड़का लाके मुझे देगा, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा. क्या मैं चाहती हूँ किसी को कोई मुझे लाके दे? अभी मैं नहीं चाहती. काफी लोग बोलेंगे कि नहीं यार, दिस इज वे यू गो रॉन्ग एंड द वे ही ट्रीट्स यू, ही विल ट्रीट यू. ये मैं सब सुन चुकी हूँ, बट आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट एंड फेमिनिज्म डज नॉट कम्स विद पिक एंड चूज कि जहां मुझे फायदा हो रहा है मैं वहां पे फेमिनिस्ट बन जाती हूँ और जहां मुझे फायदा नहीं हो रहा मैं वहां पे फेमिनिस्ट नहीं हूँ. सो आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. आई genuinely believe that if I'm going on a first date, I want to do 50-50 because A, I can provide for myself, B, I don't know that guy right now, he's just a friend of mine and I wouldn't treat my friend like that. And that date, if it's very fancy and it needs to be 50-50, अगर वो बहुत if it's a nominal bill, then I wouldn't be bothered, to be fair. I really do not feel genuinely कि लड़के को बिल देना चाहिए and it's a norm, etc. So that's why you should have your own rules about what you consider bare minimum. Do not pick up things from the internet. मेरे boyfriend ने तो मेरे लिए इतने gifts लाए. Boyfriend planned this for me, my boyfriend planned that for me, he took me out on a luxury meal, he took me out to a 5-star hotel, whatever. Or she is showing you all this, but you don't know how the relationship is. Even the most glorious looking relationship on Instagrams are sometimes fake. Please do not fall for any of it. And I'm saying you earn your own money. Do not be dependent on anybody. You should have a financial power and a mental power that tomorrow if you break up, yes, you might cry for a day or a 2 or 3 or a week or a month or 2 months at max, but then you gather that power again and you are set for your life again. You move ahead, have that financial liberty, you have everything with you, and that's the power of financial freedom and being at a mentally sane place. Up next, no matter how much good relationship you are in, please do not give up on your individuality. If you like going to the gym and somebody has said you can't go to the gym, you should not go to the gym, please do not give up on that. If you are with your best friend, somebody try to alienate you from that friend circle, please do not accept that. And इसमें ना एक twist है. I'll try to simplify my thoughts over here. When you are in a starting stage of relationship and your boyfriend or girlfriend says you please don't talk to her, please don't talk to him, तब वो होता है कि नहीं, he or she is my friend, I'm gonna talk him or her. Just ask, why would you say so? Why do you think I shouldn't talk to him or her? If they come up with a good reason that I think this because of so and so reason, if you think that that reason is valid, listen to them. If you think that the reason is valid, that oh, I think he's not a good friend for you, I think she's a snake, or I think he sees you in a bad manner. If you are a girl, you know what I mean. If your partner has a valid point, then listen to them. I'm not saying कि rebel बन जाओ बिल्कुल ही, ठीक है? But if you have dissatisfaction from their answer that what they are saying is I don't believe in that, then please listen to your gut feeling. I really want you to be attentive in the first part of your relationship and listen to your gut feeling continuously. If your gut says you, if your intuition says you know what you're thinking is right and what he or she is saying is wrong, believe in yourself first, okay? When your relationship is more mature than what it is in your initial stage, then you are kind of bonded, right? Then you start respecting each other's thoughts, then you start respecting each other's decision, and then you start taking decision as a team. Sometimes you would have to agree with something that you are not completely in acceptance of right now, and that's okay, because after a certain time you both are a team. Again, that acceptance should come with your own individuality, and it should not always be you who are going through that. It shouldn't always be you who are sacrificing, or it shouldn't always be you who's listening. The sacrifice should come from both the parties. And that's how a relationship works, with mutual respect, concise decision, and with the ability to understand another person. Sometimes, yes, insecurities take over. Sometimes the other person's very possessive towards you. If the possessiveness is like extreme, then you might need to work on it. You might need to see why he's so possessive. You might need to deal with things differently. And if he's still possessive, I think you might need to let go of that person rather than being their own therapist, because possessiveness can come from multiple factors and sometimes you can't treat it no matter how much you try. And in that case, you have to let go of that person. But sometimes, yes, you can deal with that situation. And sometimes, if there is not enough trust between you, you have to build that trust. You have to give him or her that space and extra information in order to make him believe you. And that's okay. You can't say that, oh, just trust me and move on. I don't believe that. If I ask my partner things 100 times, he has to answer me 100 times. If he asks me things 100 times, I have to answer him 100 times. If there is a distrust between you, you have to give your partner enough information to believe you. You can't say that you gotta believe me or get lost. That's not how it works. Sometimes the other person is not in the mental state to accept the answer, and that's okay as well. With the self identity thing, I also want to mention that please have a social life apart from your boyfriend. Your boyfriend, your partner should not be the only thing in your life. You should have habits, you should have activities, you should have friends, you should have social group apart from him or her as well. You should have life outside your relationship. Very important, very very important. ठीक है, ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Up next, if you are dealing with a breakup, sweetheart, I'm giving you a virtual hug right now. Sometimes जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. I know it sounds very cliche, but it's the truth. It's the truth. You will find so much better person in future. So much better. I'm saying you. My self-esteem broke down. Sacrifice guys for you all. But yeah, कहाँ थी मैं यार? I know it's easier said than done कि यार breakup हो गया, move on कर लेते हैं, पर नहीं होता. ठीक है, तो नहीं होता तो रो, जितना रो सकते हो रो. Start by cutting off little bits and pieces here and there. Don't share like every aspect of your life right now with them. Start cutting off your excess towards them. So little by little, you will eventually detach yourself from them. Start being more with your family. Hang out with your family. Hang out with your friends. Start working out on yourself. Start going to the gym. Pick up a hobby. Empty mind is the devil's mind. If you have a lot of free time with you, that's the issue. You will go back to them. If you don't want that, fill up your day by working on yourself. Go for a sports, go for a run, go for an extra classes, learn something new, and just cut off. Don't think about them. उनका बुरा मत चाहो, उनका अच्छा मत चाहो, कुछ सोचो ही मत. कुछ मत सोचो उनके बारे में. You'll be fine, trust me. I'm saying you it's easier said than done, but my channel is all about growth. Start with my channel. I have loads of tips about how to work on yourself. Just pick up a video, watch it, learn something new, watch another video, and start working on yourself. You have got this. You are stronger than what you know. और ना काफ़ी बार तो बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा लगता है कि भाई मैं क्यों रो रही थी, मैं इसके लिए रो रही थी, ऐसा हो जाता है अपने को. सो इफ़ यू डोंट वांट दैट, प्लीज़. मैंने ना सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत रेड फ्लैग, ग्रीन फ्लैग, ये सब बहुत देखा है. मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि जितना हमने रेड फ्लैग, ग्रीन फ्लैग करते हैं ना, उन इंसान को अगर हमने रियल लाइफ में देख लिया ना, अ पर्सन कैन बिहेव वेरी डिफरेंटली ऑन कैमरा देन वॉट ही और शी इज़. यू कांट say if he or she is a red flag or green flag by your social media video. So stop comparing your relationship by seeing something on social media. That's not how it works. To point number 1, define everything about yourself. Define what your boundaries are, what you want, etc., all over again. And yeah, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon in another video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. See you. This is your very own Simran Jain, and